Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day I was having a drink with one of my neighbours who's a senior civil servant. He's a kind of quite high up government office worker. And we were chatting about work and what we've both been up to. And he let slip that one of his main responsibilities at the moment is basically making sure that the press don't get wind of things that the government don't want them to hear about. If you get wind of something, you basically hear or learn about something that other people have been trying to keep secret. I guess the idea is it kind of travels on the wind into your ear. Maybe you've seen in crime dramas where criminals have like a drugs factory or somewhere where they keep all of their weapons, and the police are planning to raid this place, but somebody tips off the criminals. They get wind of the imminent raid. They move all their stuff out and they go to ground. They hide. They disappear. If the press get wind of a scandal or something that someone high up or in the public eye has basically been doing, then this can end that person's career. And maybe when you're teenagers and you've done something you shouldn't have done. If your mum or maybe your dad gets wind of what happened, there'll be hell to pay. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use get wind of.